The 2025 Ram pickup has arrived, and it's making a serious statement. Bold, modern, and tougher than ever, this new generation of Ram combines rugged capability with refined design in a way that feels both familiar and fresh. If you've been waiting to see what Ram would bring to the table after years of dominating the truck scene, this is it. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2025 Ram looks muscular and aggressive, but there's a noticeable sophistication to its lines. The front grille has been reimagined with a sleek, confident look, flanked by slim LED headlights that give it a high-tech stare. It still holds that unmistakable Ram presence, but it's clearly evolved for the future. Around back, the taillights have been redesigned too, with bold lighting elements that stand out at night. Under the hood, things get interesting. The iconic HEMI V8 is gone, replaced by a new lineup of engines focused on power, performance, and efficiency. The star of the show is the twin turbocharged inline-six Hurricane engine, delivering up to 540 horsepower, depending on the trim. It's smooth, powerful, and quicker than you'd expect from a full-size pickup. Ram also continues to support hybrid technology, offering a plug-in hybrid version of the Ram 1500 that balances torque and fuel economy in a way that's ideal for both city and off-road use. Inside, the 2025 Ram sets the bar high. The cabin is incredibly refined with soft-touch materials, a minimalist dashboard layout, and an available 14.5-inch touchscreen that looks like it belongs in a luxury SUV. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and there's a new digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable. Higher trims like the limited and tungsten models feature real wood, aluminum, and premium leather, creating an environment that's more luxury lounge than work truck. One of the most exciting upgrades is the hands-free driving system. Ram has entered the game with its own semi-autonomous driving tech, available on certain trims, and it works on pre-mapped highways. It's perfect for those long road trips where you just want to relax a bit and let the truck take over. And don't worry, it's got a full suite of safety features to keep you and your cargo protected. Towing and payload haven't taken a backseat, either. Depending on the configuration, the 2025 Ram 1500 can tow over 11,500 pounds and carry more than 2,300 pounds in the bed. Ram's active air suspension system has been updated too, automatically adjusting ride height for better aerodynamics and smoother handling, whether you're hauling a trailer or cruising on the freeway. There's also a big focus on modular storage this year. The Rambox system returns with added functionality, and the bed now includes available power outlets, lighting, and an optional integrated tailgate step that makes climbing in and out easier than ever. Overall, the 2025 Ram isn't just a refresh, it's a leap forward in design, tech, and capability. It keeps everything that truck buyers love: strength, comfort, and versatility, while introducing smarter features and cleaner powertrains. Whether you're using it for work, adventure, or everyday driving, the new Ram is more than ready. If you haven't checked it out yet, this might just be the truck that changes your mind about what a pickup can be.